Today we're going to show you a cut we haven't shown you before. This is a New York strip steak. It's 100% grass-fed, no antibiotics, no added hormones. It's a really great product from grass-run farms. We love using it here at the restaurant. It's a very simple dish using some things we love here in Louisiana. It's got shrimp, garlic, white wine, green onion, shallot, heavy cream, and Tony's original seasoning. So it's very simple. It's most ingredients you could find maybe even in your refrigerator currently, or definitely at your local grocery store. This is really a great steak to cook because, you know, people that love the flavor of beef and also a tender, lean cut, the New York strip is just perfect. These are about 1 inch thick. They're really gonna make the cooking go quickly while still achieving a good sear. So we're gonna pat that dry. We're just gonna come over here. Tony's really has all you need. It's got the spice, salt, pepper, everything already in it, so it makes it easy. This is another one of my favorite one-pan dishes right here. Pat that in. All right, perfect. We're gonna let those rest for just a moment. All right, so here on our hearth at the restaurant, we've got a skillet. It's preheated. If you were cooking on a stove at home, it'd be about medium-high heat. You'd preheat it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Carefully place your steak in there. To get medium rare, we're gonna sear about 4 minutes on each side. All right, so our steaks are done. And this is what makes this dish so great and easy. So in that same skillet, because we didn't burn it, we took our time. You got all those flavorful brown tasty bits right there. We're gonna add some shallot and some garlic. We're gonna saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes and just until the shallots are nice and tender. We're gonna add our Louisiana shrimp. 2 dashes of our Tony's. A couple tablespoons of white wine. A splash of heavy cream. Give that a nice swirl. A nice pinch of our green onions. And then we're gonna just let that reduce for about 1 minute until it's thickened. We want to make sure we're not cooking our shrimp too much. They become rubbery. We just want them to get cooked right through. That looks perfect to me. So our steaks are on some nice plates here. Little shrimp. Just ladle our sauce nicely onto the plate. There you have it. Pan Seared New York Strip with a simple Louisiana shrimp cream sauce.